time to upgrade your protein shaker. More than 60 million plastic bottles end up in landfills and incinerators every day. Once your plastic shaker starts smelling bad, it's time to switch it out. That's a problem. After being repeatedly disappointed with plastic bottles, we have spent countless hours researching what constitutes the perfect bottle. And that's how we came up with the Nitra Pro. A bottle that doesn't leak, doesn't smell, complements your style, and will last you a lifetime. Our shaker is made from hygienic, kitchen-grade stainless steel to prevent bacteria buildup. It's easy to clean, doesn't absorb any nasty odors, so you can be sure the taste of your drink won't be affected. Our bottle was made with hygiene in mind. Our stainless steel kitchen-grade, BPA-free shaker is lightweight, ergonomically engineered, and features a standout, unique diamond design. While other bottles are plastic and don't provide a convenient way to hold multiple items at once, the Nitra Pro has a silicone strap on the top to carry with ease. The ridges on the bottle help provide a sturdy grip, and the cap is designed so you never have to worry about losing it. It's airtight, so no leaks or wet clothes in your bag. And the double wall will keep your drinks hot or cold for hours. Expressing your personal style isn't always easy, especially when you go to the gym and you want your bottle to be functional. Whether you're on a bike ride or on your way to a conference meeting, go there in style. So while we have cool bags, cool workout clothes, and awesome tech gadgets, we should expect the same from our protein shakers. It's easy to spot that our protein shaker sometimes just doesn't fit in with all of our upgrades. Introducing the Nitra Pro bottle, the shaker that you can carry in and beyond the gym or work. So go on, let your Nitra Pro bottle complement your style. Back us today by pledging and help us bring this project to life so you can have a bottle that you won't have to throw away.
by the character of the people who live on its coasts, a character linked to its climate where it rains a lot, a mild climate, and calm by the action of the sea. The Atlantic-style furniture is a stylistic trend that encompasses a style of products with sober, elegant, robust character of round lines, natural finishes, soft and non-strident colors. Abana is a space where to give a definitive and tangible way to our ideas and offer various proposals for furniture and decoration accessories. The self-publishing of our own collection of furniture and accessories has led us to bet on products that convey our professional concerns but also respond to the specific needs of the market. We work with great artisans and local workshops to produce our objects. Every object we create, every piece of furniture and every accessory from concept to its shape, even its material, begins with a story that gives life to each object. They are sustainable objects that inspire, that help create pleasant environments and that make life more beautiful and easier.
Queremos fomentar la economía local a través de esta metodología de trabajo.
Somos una marca que directamente viene de la fabricación artesanal hasta el cliente final.
The added value of Abana is that we deliver products from the workshop to the final customer without intermediaries. We offer a comprehensive process in the field of furniture, from the conceptualization phase, the design, the manufacturing, and its value to our customers. The Revés armchair is halfway between the armchair and a piece of furniture that collects, hugs, and allows you to feel protected. It can be used in reading mode or in chat mode, only by changing the position of the hood.
Lo que hemos hecho es alrededor del sillón Revés generar una colección de mobiliario muy enfocada al hogar.
The Uribitarte collection consists of a series of modular boxes that are attached to legs, with which a collection of sideboards with different compositions and measures is achieved, ideal for reception, television, sideboard, or office furniture. Tetaza is a cup for breakfast that reminds us where milk comes from in a subtle way, calling back the user's childhood memories. The Marzana is a table made of solid oak, matte, natural varnish finish, brushed so that the grain of the wood stands out. Of solid structure, but with the detail of the raised board on the structure, which makes it more sophisticated and light aerial. Abana. Our goal is to bring quality and value design closer to everyone.